Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This new AI feature on the Galaxy S24 Ultra is pretty cool. You can now generate your own unique AI wallpapers on the S24 Ultra, or your other Samsung device which supports OneUI 6.1. Just long press the home screen and tap on Wallpaper and Style. Now click on Change Wallpaper and scroll down, and then you've got this creative section here. Click on it. This will let you generate some AI wallpapers that are custom to you. So there are different options here, so we can go on tonight. Now we can pick some different parameters here. So for the color, I'm going to choose, let's say, gold. For the range, I'm going with mountains. This is the basic generative wallpaper. You can't type prompts like other AI service like ChatGPT, etc. This is very minimal. You have to play around to these parameters only. And for the ice, I am going with coral reef. Once you are done, just tap on Generate. And there we go. We've got a bunch of custom generative AI wallpapers that we can choose from. This is how the new generative AI wallpaper works on Galaxy S24 Ultra, or you can say OneUI 6.1. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.